You ever remember as a kid, you know, you go with your dad, Jim Bob's house down the road, and pull into his yard, and he's got decorations everywhere. Junk everywhere. Well, I'm to that point that I said I would never be that guy, and it's time to clean this place up. So we got to get that Dodge on this trailer. Can't find them, grind them. Back in a pickup truck to it was that easy. Let's see if the tongue on the C can handle it. Come on. Clutching this is junk. Don't know if the C's up to the task, but let's see if we can pull that junk Dodge on. I'm about 80% sure it's just gonna pull the front wheels right off the ground. All right, let's do it. Shoot, what happened? Didn't like that.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Good thing I put that there. Oh. Okay. That works for me, boys. I call that a win. We got to get this rear axle out, so I'm not going to make a video on that because it just doesn't look fun, but I'd say the old C performed pretty well.